Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, where we bring you the boldest rides on wheels. And today, we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping machines on the road, the 2025 Kenworth W1350 Motorhome. If you're a fan of power, luxury, and living life on the highway in style, buckle up, because this beast is next level. So, what exactly is the Kenworth W1350 Motorhome? Well, think of a heavy-duty truck fused with a high-end luxury apartment. The W1350 is built on Kenworth's flagship Class 8 truck platform, but it's been transformed into a rolling mansion. From the outside, it commands attention with its massive chrome grille, signature dual vertical exhausts, and aerodynamic contouring that doesn't just look cool, it actually improves fuel efficiency. Under the hood, you get a PACCAR MX-13, engine delivering up to 510 horsepower and 1,850 lb-ft of torque. That's more than enough grunt to pull this monster and a full-size trailer, all while cruising like a king on long stretches of highway. And yes, it's equipped with Kenworth's latest adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and smart terrain management system, making long-haul driving smoother than ever before. But let's talk about the real showstopper, the living space. Step inside, and you're greeted by pure opulence. The 2025 W1350 Motorhome boasts a full-length slide-out section that expands the interior into a spacious lounge. You've got Italian leather recliners, a fully integrated entertainment system with a 75-inch 4K TV, surround sound, and even voice-controlled lighting and temperature. The kitchen, better than most studio apartments. Granite countertops, induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, microwave, and even a dishwasher. Kenworth didn't hold back. The master suite in the rear is where things get even better. A king-size memory, foam bed, overhead storage with soft close drawers, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with a rainfall shower and heated floors. Yes, heated floors in a motorhome. One of the standout features for 2025 is the Smart RV Command Center. It allows you to control everything, from your generator to water tanks, solar panels, and HVAC, all from a touchscreen or your phone. The integration is seamless, and it truly feels like you're in a futuristic, mobile smart home. Now, this motorhome isn't just about luxury. It's built for people who want to live on the road without compromise. The build quality is outstanding. The chassis is reinforced, the suspension is air ride adjustable, and there's even an onboard air compressor for tire management. Fuel economy? Well, you're not getting Prius numbers here. But thanks to improved aerodynamics and powertrain tuning, the W1350 gets around 8 to 9 mpg on the highway, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size. Let's talk numbers. Starting price, around $650,000, and with customizations, it can easily cross the $1 million mark. But honestly, for what you're getting, the performance of a semi-truck combined with the luxury of a penthouse, it's a fair deal for serious road warriors or full-time RVers. So, is the 2025 Kenworth W1350 Motorhome worth it? Absolutely. If you're someone who wants to combine long-haul travel, heavy-duty towing, and unmatched luxury in one package, this is it. It's not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this, look at the Kenworth W1350 Motorhome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments. Would you live full-time in this beast? Or is it a little too much? Catch you in the next one. Right here on Honest Auto Wheels, where we put the real into every wheel.